one. Right off the start, we can see Cyberpunks 2.0 getting some greens and lining up to score them. Central Davis A filtering the purples and greens. Cyberpunks 2.0 successfully gets 2 greens into that goal. Central Davis A knocking off those reds and trying to get some more cubes. Central Davis A is looking to score some purples. 35 seconds, you may now switch drivers. Scoring 4 purples. Central Davis A is moving around the field. Scoring greens. 25 seconds, you must have switched by now. Cyberpunks 2.0, cubes in their system. Let's see if they can get up into the goal time. They get more cubes in the goal. As we get to the last 10 seconds of the match, we're going to see if many teams try to take a part. Looks like Cyberpunks 2.0 is going for the park. And they get it in time, and so does their teammate. All right. Qualification match number 37. We have 8.010B Eagle Prime.